Hey, little girl, how are you? Yeah, we're finding like a direction, road, proper road, a motorable road. Where?
I don't think she understands English.
Okay, hold on. Hi. Do you speak English?
Okay, you know, no, so is from Igbo, and this is an Igbo community, so why not help us out?
You want to insult me? Go ahead and insult me. Stop going through the corners. Have you ever heard me speak Igbo? I don't understand the language.
For real? Your father's tongue?
Hey, it's
Are
okay.
we really having that conversation right now?
It's okay, let me try.
No, thank you.
Sit down.
Okay, you know what? I'll just give it a shot. So, oh my God. Ani na finding Uzo, like Uzo. Car.
Wow.
Finding.
Really, Nonso? Really?
What do you want me to do? I'm trying.
How can you not know how to speak your father's tongue?
What is Uzo?
Oh, feels like
I'm not even Igbo, but
Uzo
I
is
speak
somebody's
better than...
name?
Listen, what kind of Igbo do you even understand?
Well, how can you not speak your language?
Am I not trying?
No, don't say that.
At your age!
Anina means.
I didn't say...
Hyena, I said Ani.
Hey, listen.
Why don't you do it then?
Hold on a second.
Is she from Igbo? Why is this shit from Igbo? I'm born in this from this place.
You don't have to be born in this place. I wasn't born in this place.
Listen, you never
speak your
told me
language,
you were
for
a
goodness
good
sake.
rapper. You never told me. Man, you've got talent, bro.
Wes! We're trying to get something sorted here. What's wrong with you guys?
Wait,
no, let's be
you
serious,
just
Wes.
rapping all
How?
over.
Rap what? How can you
Rapping,
not
bro.
just... No.
What exactly are you guys looking for?